Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, we are going to see the describe feature in Midjourney. The describe feature is used to reverse engineer prompts. That means if you input image to Midjourney, it will give what are the probable prompts for that image. So let's see how to use that. So to use describe feature, you need to type in /describe, click on that, and you need to add your image. First, I'm gonna add this image, and let's see what are the prompts Midjourney gives. Press enter. So it has given 4 different prompts. So let's see the first prompt. This photo of a Santa Claus is on his motorcycle in the style of V-ray tracing, realistic portrait, textured illustration, 2D game art, street scene, etc. And you can see the second one as well. The third one also have the artist names. If we click this hyperlink, it will take to the Google search. So this is the artist. If you want to use any one of this prompt, if you want to use the first prompt, you can click on first. If you want to use second, third or fourth, you can click on that. So let's try all of the prompt. First prompt, I'm going to click on that and it will open this box. From here you can adjust the prompt. Now I'm not going to do that. Click on submit. Also I'm gonna do for second prompt. Here I'm gonna change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Also for third one, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Fourth also, I'm gonna leave it as it is. So let's see the outputs. So this is the output for first prompt. This one give the looks close to the source image. So this one from the third prompt, so it is giving the completely different image, but somehow it is giving the Santa Claus riding the bike, even it is not in the prompt. So this one also looking good. This is the fourth prompt. So the first prompt is close to the original image. So this is how we can reverse engineering prompt. So I just used the Santa art image as my source. You can also use photography. So let's try that. So this is the photo I'm going to use. The girl looking into the mirror. Let's try the first prompt. So you can see it is giving the completely different image. So you can see the prompt is girl is looking at a glass in front of a light. Let's try the second prompt. So you can see this is also not close to the original. So you can add some correction to the prompt. So I'm going to click on the second prompt again and do some mild editing. A woman with specs and black looking in mirror. So let's try this. So you can see again it is not giving the correct image. You can edit again. Let's try it. Maybe I can use the words from third prompt. It is saying a woman looking over her shoulder into a mirror. So let's try that. I'm gonna copy that and paste it over here. Also, I'm going to add extra words. I'm going to add mirror photography. Let's try. You need to add imagine before the prompt. Still not I'm getting the correct result. Let's try the third and fourth. And now you can see this prompt giving looks close to the source image. So this is also. So this one is entirely different. So we are not going to use this one. So you can see this prompt. The third one gives results close to the source image. Let's add some additional words to that prompt to make it close to the source image. So I try to add additional words to the prompt to get result close to the source image. Still I'm not getting that. So close one is this one. third image. It is the close one to the source. So this is how we can use describe feature to reverse engineer real life photos. Also, you can use describe feature to reverse engineer prompts for interior design. Let's try that. You can see the 4 different prompts. Let's try one from this. Let's try the first one. Also, you can use describe feature for different art style. Let's try this image. I already created this using Midjourney, using the prompt cyberpunk background. So this second prompt is looking good, so I'm gonna try that. And you can see the result for that interior design. So you can adjust the prompt again to get your desired result. For me, this one looks good. This one is for that cyberpunk style prompt. So you can see the result close to the source image. For some image, it will give the exact result. For some, you need to work out to get the desired result. So that's it. This is how we can use describe feature to reverse engineering prompts. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.